welcome back to the Mazak Smooth Cafe. Today we're going to discuss an advanced feature of our SmoothG and X controls called Intelligent Safety Shield. Safety Shield is an active system using 3D models to prevent damage to your machine. Mazak supplies complete models of the basic machine, including models for second spindle, lower turret, tool eye, and other major assemblies. The operator really need only supply chuck jaw data and/or fixture data. Information about the tool is automatically supplied by entries on the tool data page. However, you can greatly enhance tool models by using our tool model editor or importing one from vendor-specific websites as a step file. All of these built-in machine models, as well as any models you add, automatically become part of this system. Safety Shield has actually been around for a while now and was originally designed to protect the machine during manual operation. It was developed when we found that even attentive operators who carefully watch for interference while moving the machine around would sometimes fail to notice that while the tip of the tool was safe, the backside of the turret may strike the second spindle or lower turret, causing significant damage. Over time, controls have gotten much more powerful and Safety Shield has been expanded to function in automatic mode as well as in manual. Shown here is the 3D monitor screen of the Smooth control. This screen looks very much like the simulation screen, but instead of showing what might happen, it shows what is happening. When I move the machine around, my movements are reflected on this screen. The models shown here on this screen are what the machine is using for Safety Shield. Safety Shield knows where covers are. It knows where the second spindle is. It knows where the lower turret is. And of course, it also knows where the main spindle is, including the part and the chuck jaw if they are added by the operator. Now, while no system can guarantee mistakes won't happen, when combined with smooth simulation, Safety Shield can provide a high confidence level, greater safety, and more productivity. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time at the Mazak Smooth Cafe. Take care.